Welcome back to Dirt Nap Bros. I'm Hunter, and today we're going to be making some Squirrel Crescent rolls. You're going to need crescent rolls, bell pepper, thyme, cheddar cheese, and some green onion for this, and obviously squirrel. First thing you're going to want to do is lay something out on your counter to kind of keep your counters clean. I do not suggest wax paper. You can see right there this tore on me. It was not the best idea I had, but it was all I had at the time, so it ended up working out for me. So you're going to go ahead and start off by salting and peppering on both sides of the squirrel, as you see me here doing here. Once you've got a really good, generous, salt and peppering kicked on, and I used some Himalayan sea salt and just some regular ground pepper. You're going to move it over to the crock pot. Excuse my dog there. Toss your little squirrels into the crock pot. I started it on low, and then I added chicken stock, which you see here. Chicken broth, and you just fill the chicken broth to where the squirrels are barely covered. Yeah. Once you have all the chicken broth in, about there, that's good. So what we're going to do now is cover it, and we're going to set it off to the side, and we're going to put it on high for a couple hours until they're nice and tender. About midway through, we added some vinegar-based barbecue sauce to give it a little bit of a kick. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Pull them out once they're nice and tender. The next thing we're going to do is start shredding them up. I used 3 bowls. I used one that for my whole squirrel. I used one that was just for meat and one for bones. Now you're going to want to do this really, really well. There's lots of tiny little bones in there. Next thing, you're going to lay out a crescent roll. We lay down some cheese. Look at that. Excuse my wife's mess here. Some squirrel, some bell pepper, a little green onion. Yeah, there you go. Roll them up, stick them on a pan, and we bake them on 350 until the crescent rolls are done. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember, can't be dishing out dirt naps if you're sitting on the couch.